Hey everyone, it's Erin. This is That's So Random. So, I'm gonna try and make a frog closure. And it's gonna go with an outfit, and I'll show you the outfit. It's from, so the frog closure is gonna be in this book, from the Art of Sewing. I'm a little, the only problem is the word exotic essentially means cultures that are not European. But I'm not gonna show from the book how to do it. I'm going to actually just do it here, only because of copyright issues. I don't want to be called out for that. So I'm going to show you the outfit that this is going to go on. So this is the outfit that I'm going to put the frog closure on up here. From Gertie, she had this free pajama pattern, or Harlem. I think that's what it's called, a Harlem pattern. It's like a 1940s, I think, inspired like little PJ set, and she had it where you could do a frog closure. Where well, I was thinking of making my own frog closure because of the book and attaching it on here. So that's what my plan is, and we're going to get into how to do this. So I have 2 yards of cording, 1 yard a piece. I cut them in half because I'm not sure how much I need. It's saying 16 inches, but I'm not sure. So I'm going to put this one off to the side for now. And we're going to make the knot for this. So it's saying to take the left hand side and do a 2 inches, doing with a 2-inch loop, a counter clockwise. So it's looping this way. And then we take the longer and we're going to loop over like that over those two. Then we're going to take it under that one. So we're going to take it, so we've looped over, and now we're looped over again, and we've gone under the tail. And then you take the long end and you go over this bit, under that bit, pull, and then we're going to go under this loop now. So, and now we're going, so I'm going to slowly pull that carefully. And now we just slowly take both these ends and just slowly hold this end while pulling this one. And then, actually, yeah, just slowly pulling this to create the knot. And mine does not look like the book. Yeah, mine does not look like the book. It's supposed to be like round. Mine's kind of like a little bumpy. But do it like that and try the next step. It would be like this. And then we would, so this is a loop. And from what I gather, this short end goes under. This longer end goes down. And you tack it down. Yeah, you would tack this down to your garment. So you would tack this section to the garment. Then creating another loop, which, hold on. Okay, so they want this, but then they want you to take this bit and make another loop, but the loop looks really weird. Okay. I'm going to rotate it so it looks like the book for me to try and follow along. So you have this loop like that, which does not look like the book at all. You would stitch that down, create another loop, stitch that down, but I don't think I'm making the loops right for some reason. These illustrations are not working for me. And then you would create your final loop, and like all these ends, I guess, would be tucked in. Because they say you need 40 inches for this, and that looks so big to me. Like, my hands are tiny, and that's so big. And then to make the other side, you would just, so that would be attached to one side, and then for this one you create your loops similarly. Okay, I see what they want. Can I do that? That's the question. Because they want like a flat, like they want you to loop like that, and then loop like that, you know, here. They want to loop like that for the side that doesn't have the little ball closure. So I'm gonna try and see if I can figure this out off camera. And then we'll see what it looks like on the actual little PJs. That's what the pajamas. With a ton of pins, I have pinned down the closure in the way that it's supposed to go. Yes, I have some tails left over that need to be trimmed. Some of it's like a little too big for my liking. I'm gonna try and make it a little bit smaller. Yeah, so I'm gonna try and do that, tack it down, and show you guys the reveal. So as you can see, it's not perfect. I'm also thinking, because I didn't do what the book said, where you should do like piping cord, and sew a tube with cording in it. I didn't do that. I actually just bought this, and that's how I'm using it. From far away, it looks really nice. It doesn't look bad. I was trying to go off of the stars that are on the pants and everything, a silver look, but it's fine. So yeah, so hopefully that can help people make their own frog closures. If you like this video and want to stick around, go ahead and subscribe. If you liked it, you can give it a thumbs up. I'll see you, which will actually be Easter, the Saturday before Easter, which I'm excited for that one because little Easter look. So I'll see you guys next time.